Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing an AI tool called Zebracat. Now this is an AI tool that is used to create videos. You can give it a script and it creates a video for you. You can also give it a prompt and it creates a video for me from that prompt, obviously expanding it and going more into details. And you can also put in your URL and then it creates a video for you. Now, Zebracat is an AI tool that I've heard about, and I've heard that the tool itself is growing. When it launched on Product Hunt, it was number one product of the day. They have a lot of good reviews on Captera, Trustpilot, and also G2. I don't want to waste you guys' time, so let's get right into it. Now, if you want 15% off on this tool right here for 6 months, just use the link in the description below and you get access to that. So let's just get right into it. Now, this is what the dashboard looks like. It's giving browser warning because I'm using Microsoft Edge at the moment. If you use Chrome browser, it won't give you that, but I'm using Microsoft Edge, but that doesn't really mean much. So I'm just gonna work with this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on create first video. And then as you can see, it gives prompt, URL, script, or now they've also added audio. As you can see, it's in the beta version. So let's just start with prompt and let's just test it out. So for prompt, I'll just tell it a video, a short video. I just want a short video about man and dog. And now I'm gonna select the one that people tend to select whenever they use a lot of these AI tools, which is 916, which is for like TikTok and Reels and stuff like that. And here you can always listen to the sound. So let's listen to it real quick. So right now the English guy, let's just change it real quick. Let's listen to different ones. Let's listen to Andrew.
The tree that bends in the wind often survives longer than the one that resists.
Pretty good. Let's look at the ultra realistic AI voices. Let's listen to Drew.
Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile.
Pretty.
Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile.
Let me select Brian. Let's listen to Brian.
True freedom not only comes from freeing others, but also from freeing oneself.
They have pretty good AI voices. I can't lie, even for their own standard voices. So let's just select Brian and let's click on select. So we have Brian. Now you can use AI visuals or you can use a stock library. So we'll auto pick from their stock library. For right now, I just want to use AI visuals. For the infinite zoom right here, so it will kind of zoom into the AI images that it provides you. And character consistency is you will have it maintaining the same characters throughout the entire video, which I like. So let's see. I want the videos at only 15 seconds. I don't need anything more than that, to be quite frank. You can also put in music. A lot of these AI music videos, their sounds tend to be a little bit corny. I'm just gonna take out music. I just want to listen to it, and then you can also create your own brand kit here by obviously uploading your logo and things of that setting. If you take a look at this right here, where is that at? I want to see advanced setting. They said have the other stuff under here where you could also kind of put in a text and stuff, but right now they've taken that out. So the advanced setting right now is just the music and you applying brand kit. So let's just click on generate script and let's get right into it. All right, so now it's giving us a script. Ever wondered why your dog's tail wags uncontrollably when you come home and stuff? So it expanded on that little prompt that I gave it. So now let's generate the video. All right, so we have this. Now let's watch it, okay? Let me see if I can expand it and then we can watch it. Okay, so this is it right here. Now let's watch it.
Ever wondered why your dog's tail wags uncontrollably when you come home? It's pure joy. Pure joy. Imagine adding more of those happy moments. Our new dog toy is designed to keep your furry friend entertained and active all day. Get it now and see the excitement unfold.
I love the graphics. Hopefully, you guys saw what I just saw. I really love the graphics. It's pretty clear, in comparison to other AI video creators. It's pretty clear. You can look at the voice editor right here, and you can always change it. You can also add text and stuff, and you can change up the text, the way the text works. So let me see. I can change it to this one, for example, sample text over here, and let's play it.
Tail wags
You see,
uncontrollably when you
change the text. Another thing too, text settings. You can show the text captions or take that out. You can also change the font and things like that. Let me see. They now have the option for you to actually edit the text. Okay, so if you want to edit the text, I believe you go back to where it says voice, and then you kind of edit it from here. So let's just see why your dog's tail wags. Let me see if it changes it over here.
come home. It's
Let's see.
pure
Because they
joy.
had this problem in the past. Let's see if they actually worked on it. Let me start from the beginning.
Controllably when you come home. It's pure
Yeah. So I don't think they've really changed that up.
it's pure
Really
joy.
good. But if you want to change up the text, you can always do it like this, and then you can just click on this. So let's see if I click update voice, if it will do that for us. Give me a minute. All right. Now let's see it.
Ever wondered why your dog's tail wags some uncontrollable
That's good. So if you want to change up the text, you go over to voice, you edit the text over here, and then you click on update voice, and then it edits the what is said on the screen. Now you can always add music. As I told you guys, a lot of the music from AI is just super corny. It's like a bunch of rave and stuff. I'm not really a huge fan. Animation, you can always change that up. Playful, energetic, suspense, and things like that. This one I like to play for. I love it. Playful, energetic, and inspiring. You can also work on the transition too. So they give you a bunch of stuff, so you can have it wipe out or slide out or flip. And then elements. Let's take a look at elements real quick. With the elements, it's mostly emojis and GIFs. Some people call it GIFs. I call it GIFs. Don't do too much in my comments. I call it GIFs. But let's test out another one again. So right now we've done the prompt to video. So let's test out another one again. Okay, so we did the prompt to video. Now let's create another video again. This one I'm gonna do URL to video. So let's just see if I can get a URL to a video real quick. So let me see. Let me see one on dogs. I'm just gonna keep going with dogs because I mean they're common and it's just a sample video. That's it. So let me just go to Wikipedia. Okay, copy, go back, and let's just put this in right here. All right, let's see. Okay, they wanted. Wait, oop, it seemed like make sure the URL is valid and it's not behind a paywall. Okay, it's either too long. Okay, so the article is too long. So let me look for a shorter article. I'll be right back. All right, so I found an article on dogs from Medical News Today, And I'm just gonna go with the same format. You know what? Let's do Instagram post format, and then we'll change the next one with YouTube post. So we'll just see all three. So captions activated. Sure. Let's change up the sound to, let's use a woman this time, female. And then after that, we use child. So let's listen to Ava.
True freedom not only comes from freeing others, but also from freeing oneself.
That sounds pretty nice. Okay, we're gonna use AI visuals, and then we're gonna go with character consistency. You can also change this up right here. So let's have a comic book one. Let's take a look at it using the comic book version. I'm gonna deactivate music because corny, and then let's generate script. So it generates scripts, and then you then generate your video. Okay. One loyal pup to brighten your day. Dogs aren't just pets; they're your daily habits. So let's take a look at the video. Okay, generate video. All right, let's take a look at it. As you can already see how beautiful it looks graphic wise. So let me just expand the screen, and then we're gonna take a look at it. All right.
One loyal pup to brighten your day. Dogs aren't just pets, they're your daily dose of joy and health. They boost your mood and keep you active. Barks. Dogs reduce stress, make you happier, and even help prevent heart disease. Get ready for endless smiles.
I'm not gonna lie, this AI tool is pretty good. Like I don't care what anybody says, Zebracat is pretty good. I have to give them huge props for this because their tool is pretty good. I mean, just take a look at how clean the graphic is for AI tool that focuses on video. Zebracat is pretty nice. Now let's test out the last one before I end the video. So the last one we're gonna test out is a script and then end the video. So I'll just give it a script real quick. So create video and click on script. And then we're just gonna write it in here. So as you can see this one, there's no generate script, it just goes straight to generate video. So let's just see. Dogs are man's best friend. They are loyal and love to play. They sleep, bark, and eat a lot. I think I'll just give it this. I mean, I'm not trying to create like something long, and then I'm just gonna go with like YouTube video style, and let me change up the voice to child. So they only have one. So now let's listen to this Anna.
If your laughter echoes in an empty room, its authenticity is undeniable.
Sounds pretty cute. So let's just go with it. Select AI visuals and then character consistency. And let's see, we tried comic book. Let's see another one we can try. Origami. Let's try origami. I mean, this is the last one, so let's just try it out and see what it is. Music activated. Let's just put music for the last one. Let's just do this. So generate video. Let's look at it.
Dogs are man's best friend. They are loyal and love to play. They sleep, bark, and eat a lot.
This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I mean, look at the origami right here. Let's take a look at how detailed it is. Let's play this.
Dogs are man's best friend. They are loyal and love to play.
This looks like something that you watch probably when if you were a kid. So I have to give Zebracat huge props. I'm not gonna lie, the tool is great. So to the team that created this AI website, shout out to you guys, man. You all have fixed certain things that need to be fixed, and I mean, you guys have really worked on this website, and you have done a great job. So let's look at their pricing plan. So just click on upgrade. See. Okay, so we're gonna go with monthly plan because that's what a lot of you will go with. So now for the free plan right here, you get 25 credits per month. Yes, they use a credit system and get up to 5 minutes per month, and you get a Zebra Cat watermark with standard AI voices. Now with the cat mode, it's $25 per month, and you get 120 credits per month, up to 15 minutes per month, premium AI visuals, ultra realistic AI voices, one brand kit, so you're able to put your own logo and stuff. Then for the super cat, you get $85 per month, 750 credits per month, up to 300 minutes per month. Premium AI visuals, the same as this. Ultra realistic AI voices, the same as this. 10 brand kits, so much more than this, and no Zebra Cat watermark. Now, if you want 15% off for 6 months straight, use the link in my description below, and I'm gonna catch you guys next week.